Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Mailerlite Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your Mailerlite account. And of course, execute actions directly from your workflow. So let me show you how to set it up. At your agency view, come down here at the app marketplace. You search for the app, Mailerlite. We go at install. We select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. We continue. We go on allow. We go at allow and install. We choose the plan, whether it's a monthly plan or a yearly one, and we confirm. We go on complete installation, and we automatically open in your window where we just have to copy this custom menu link. We make sure it's copied, and then we switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. Remember, this is actually one-time action. So how do we create it? Let's go on settings, custom menu links. We come here at create. We choose an icon for our custom menu link. When you're done, you come down here, you type a name for your custom menu link, how you decided to name your custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. We'll check later. Here you paste the custom menu link URL there and scroll down here. You select the account where we want our tools to be available. And here we just have to choose whether it's a user or all users we want to give access to. And then we make sure we save. The next step is to switch to the sub account to connect the tool to our Mailerlite account. Inside the sub account, we look for the custom menu link we created. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg App. So if you guys name your custom menu link differently, like my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Greg Apps. We have apps available and connected apps. All the apps installed in the agency will be available here. Okay. Connect, of course, with all the apps that you already connected. So if you type Mailerlite here for the first time, it will pop up here, okay? But it doesn't pop up because it's already connected. So let's go and connect to the apps. We have Mailerlite here, okay? But let's pretend that we're trying to get it connected to our Mailerlite account. So let's go on setup. And in order to get the connection going, we have to provide the API key, okay? But before we go any further though, as you can notice, we have written here how to get your token. It means if you click on it, you will access the smart queue that shows you how to get that token. But let's do it together. So let's switch to our Mailerlite. So inside Mailerlite, we come down here at integrations. As you can notice, we have three API created here as well. But let's create another one. We go on generate new token, enter token name. Let's say it's a key. We check here and we create a token. We get a token, we copy, switch back, submit, perfect. We just connected our tool to our Mailerlite account, which means they're now able to execute actions directly from the workflow app to our Mailerlite. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a support team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Don't forget to give some thumbs up on this video and thank you for watching.